Watch me perform surgery on my sister at 2 a.m. I'm sick of hearing her snore all night long. The crazy part is she denies she snores even though she has all the symptoms such as mouth breathing, bad breath, and terrible migraines. So I'll be putting matters into my own hands. These nose clips instantly open up your nasal passage once you apply this on your septum. The gentle pressure it applies to your nose allows oxygen to flow at a much higher rate. If you know someone who snores or struggles from breathing through their nose, this is exactly what they need. Once you put this on, you see results almost instantly.